Hello there and welcome back to Kenya Parrot's YouTube channel. You're probably wondering, are African Grey Parrots noisy and do they make a lot of noise? Well, living with an African Grey Parrot for the past 17 years, I can tell you from experience that they don't go out of their way to be a screaming, very loud parrot like some other parrots that I've seen, like, macaws that totally, just scream for no reason. African Greys don't do that. Now, she does make noise. She talks throughout the day and she has a lot of chatter, and she can be really loud if she wants to be. Kenya Parrot is not really loud and screamy. Now, when she does decide to make a noise that is really annoying, I have to ignore it, because if she gets any kind of reaction out of me that, she likes, then she's going to continue to do it. So if you do have an African Grey and your African Grey makes a loud, obnoxious noise, try to ignore it and, distract her into something else. Make sure that you don't make a big deal out of it, because your reaction is everything. Now, that's not only towards noises and stuff. Like, if your African Grey Parrot bites you, I know this from experience because it's happened to me. Kenya Parrot bit me and I totally made a big scene out of it. I jumped up and down, screamed and cried, and then she thought that was great. So of course, the next time I went to go put her away in her cage, she took another bite. And she wanted to see that very same reaction. She wanted to see me jump around, make a big deal. That was fun for her. So I'll tell you, if you get bitten by your African Grey Parrot, to just tell them no, put them back, and leave the room, and do all of your crying and everything away from them so they don't see your reaction, because like I said, your reaction is everything. So now that there is no hysterical reaction from me from her biting me, she no longer bites me anymore. And the only time that she really will bite me is when she's really hormonal, and I can kind of tell from her body language what she's going to do. So I really don't have that problem anymore. So just make sure when your African Grey does something that you react the way that you want them to react again to the situation. So the key components for this video: number one, are African Greys noisy? Yes, they can be, but your reaction determines the outcome. Remember that your reaction determines the outcome for next time. Number two, do African Greys bite? Yes, they can, but always remember that your reaction determines the outcome. It's not in the African Grey's nature to be a biting bird. They don't go around. It's not in their behavior, I should say. So just remember, when you get bitten, remember your reaction. Okay, that's all for today, and I hope you have a great day and you enjoyed this video and you got something from it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more.